Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and when you extend it, you'll have the Do Not Disturb mode toggle right over here. So simply you can tap on it and it will then basically become enabled, or you can hold that option like so, and this will take you to the settings. And then here you have a couple more options that you can customize the Do Not Disturb mode. So start off, you can create a schedule, as you can see right here, turn on as a schedule. And you have one that is pre-made for you, the sleeping one, which as you can see right here, it's Monday to Sunday from 10 to 7 a.m. So you can either change this one or simply add a new one by tapping right here. Name the schedule whatever you want, so I'm just gonna name it, doesn't really matter what the name is here. Then you have days that it's working in, so you want to deselect the days that you don't want. So as an example, I'm gonna create a working one, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. So disabling Saturday, Sunday. Start time, it's gonna be obviously 9 to 5. All right. There we go, 9 to 5. And once you have both of them, tap on save, and it becomes automatically enabled. Sure, it's going to be also visible here that it's enabled. And also we can even customize it further by going back, and you have allow exceptions at the bottom. When you tap on this, it will give you several other things that you can customize. So calls from, and when you tap on it, you have allow calls from at this moment no one, but you can for instance change it to your favorite contacts only. So even though the Do Not Disturb mode would be enabled, your favorite contacts would still be able to call you during this mode. Then you have messages, which has the exact same options as you can see. So choose whichever one suits you. As I said, you have the favorite ones. You also have contacts, which is just a general entire contact list, and all, which simply defeats the purpose of this. And then at the bottom you have additional toggles for sounds. So you have alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders. So if you want them to be ringing you up when you have the mode enabled, you can check them on, but if you don't, just keep them off. And right here you also have another option for callers. So as an example, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period time, they will be actually able to call you or reach you the second time. And this bypasses the option that is right here. So you could have none and this enabled, and still no one should be able to reach you, but if they call you twice within a 15-minute period, the second time around you will actually see that they're calling you. So it's a good option to have enabled for some kind of emergencies. If someone really needs to get hold of you, they usually call multiple times in a quick successions, and this will allow them to actually get a hold of you. And once you have said all of that, simply go back and forget about it. And on top of that, apart from the fact that it will be turning on Monday through Friday right now because of how I have set it, you can also toggle it on and off apart from those days, and it will still work the same way in terms of exceptions. So whatever exceptions you have set, they will stay for the schedule one and just a manual toggle on and off. And that is how you would set up and also use the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.